Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica, and this one right here, is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. It is December 1st. Super happy that we are in December. I love December. I'm a nerd, but listen, I love Christmas. It's just a fun time, and all the lights and everything. It's just, I have a blast. But anyways, I'm about that exciting stuff there. I've got so much fun stuff to talk to you today about. And I'm so thrilled to announce this to you guys. So for the longest time, I have wanted to create a way for a VO's Journey Elite Academy to spread its wings and, get voiceover opportunities. And I'm very excited to announce that I finally launched Academy Voices. It's www.academyvoices.com. There'll be a link below for you to check it out. And it is live. It is our website where it's our online agency roster where we get voiceover work and for our members. And I am absolutely thrilled. It has been such a fun journey so far. I know it's just beginning, but creating like an online agency or it's not what you call a freelance site, because everybody, I mean, we're all kind of freelancers on there, but it's Academy. So to be on the website, you need to be a part of a VO's Journey Elite Academy. And you can be on that website, which all the work that comes to that website, goes to Academy members. But the thing is that building a voiceover site to get voiceover work for other voice actors has been a lot more exciting than I thought it would be. And now, doing the marketing and running ads and all this kind of stuff, it's real. I mean, actually, it's really exciting. And seeing the just beginning. I mean, we've only been live for about a day and a half, so I'm really thrilled. And I had to say that the big thing, the big takeaway thing so far yet is, with our own websites, I think is how we look at getting business, especially a lot of us who use these freelance sites like Fiverr and ACX and Upwork and even the pay-to-play sites, voices.com and so forth. They're all doing the same thing. They're building a website, and then they're just marketing, through keywords, through branding to drive traffic onto that website. And we're there fulfilling those orders that come from that marketing. And I always thought to myself, is we as voice actors could reverse engineer that ourselves. Why can't we do that ourselves? And there's, the two answers are: one, there's no reason why we can't do it ourselves. Build a website that is very usable and effective, and market that website via, social media, Google, YouTube, and get orders and complete them. I think the thing for me is that I realize that money and does play a big role in this, not just about building your website, but also about like running the ads, how much it costs to do all of this to drive traffic and stuff. And I find that it's opened my eyes a lot to what we do on our own websites. So the cool thing about this as well is being able to teach the Academy members through, what we're doing with Academy Voices, them getting to see those, what's happening behind the scenes with, an online agency like this. It's really exciting. And it makes me even, the way we approach my own website, my own, voiceover website, and other members look at it differently like that too. So I do think that, it's a good time for you to focus on your website as well, as well as getting other stuff up. But, I'd love for you to check out a VO's Journey, Academy Voices. and tell me what you think. And if you're interested in joining the academy, there's we're 50% off the first month. But the point is, though, is being a part of this early venture is really exciting, and we're having a lot of fun. And I'm often live giving input and everything about it. So, that's been a lot of fun too, is going live and talking to everybody constantly in our Discord, and just, being there and meeting with people and getting their views and opinions about, working online, getting work online as voice actors. So, but yeah, so thank you. Anyways, I just wanted to come on and do a video, and we are live. It is very exciting. And if you'd like to be a part of it, we'd love to have you in the academy. And by being in the academy, you get to have access to be on that site and hopefully get voiceover work. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And tomorrow I definitely want to talk about some ad stuff on Fiverr, actually, because I got some interesting information to give you about running your ads, the promoted gigs on Fiverr, and something that I found out that works way better for me than I thought, and I want to share it with you. So I'll talk to you about that tomorrow. All right, guys, thank you so much. Again, make sure you check out Avio's Journey Elite Academy and Academy Voices and tell me what you think. And I hope to talk to you soon. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.